Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve study focus. First, find a quiet spot where you can concentrate without interruptions. This could be a library, a specific room, or even a corner of your home. Next, try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle a few times before a longer break. Setting specific, achievable goals for each session also helps keep you on track and motivated. To further enhance your focus, consider practicing mindfulness exercises for a few minutes before you begin. This helps train your brain to stay present. If your environment is noisy, investing in good noise-canceling headphones can make a significant difference, creating a personal quiet zone. Also, tackle your most challenging or important tasks first when your energy levels are highest, ensuring critical work gets done efficiently. Your physical environment plays a huge role in concentration. Make sure your study space is well lit to avoid eye fatigue, which can quickly lead to distraction. A clutter-free desk helps create a clutter-free mind, so keep only what you need within reach. Remember to take short, active breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to stretch and move around. Staying hydrated throughout your study session is also crucial for maintaining mental clarity. Finally, leverage technology to your advantage by using focus apps or browser extensions that block distracting websites during your study time. Consistency is key, so try to establish a regular sleep schedule. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night significantly boosts your cognitive function and ability to focus. And hey, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.